This is the Istanbul gate. So many of the people in Nicaea who came for the creed came through this area. The area down here is lower for the people to walk, and this is more of a higher level that's carts and whatnot would come through this section. So this has actually been elevated, I think. It's a later period, but this is part of the massive structure around the city. Looking at the section, you can see the curve on the apse of a church that was planted in here in later times and at Byzantine time. So that's why you have the curved structure here by the gate. Look at the apse there. You can see part of the worship section and some of the mosaics down there. And this is actually facing the direction of the, like the same as Hagia Sophia, in that direction there at the apse. Coming around the bend here, you can see some of the towers, like the 110 or so towers in this city, ancient times. And there you can see a pathway in between the walls on the east side, probably protecting later on, especially from the Persians that came and conquered, the Arabs that came from this direction, and other different groups.